Picture yourself in the 2023 Nissan ARIYA. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, wood grain interior trim, adaptive cruise control. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.